How are we doing, everybody? We good? Now, I'm the only one on the show who fucking dressed up. Thank you, one supportive loser. Thank you. Every time I dress up, every Halloween, it's like the people who tried to get away from Halloween. Like, all of you are just, like, annoyed at what's going on outside. And I feel like I ruined it for you. I'm sorry. Every year I dress up. 10 years in a row. Lucky you guys. Okay, Tommy got some sad music. Play me some happy Parrot music. Okay. I didn't say chubby Parrot music. I said fit, fuckable Parrot music. Okay? Give me fuckable Parrot. Fuckable Parrot, Red. Don't fuck with me. I like this. Nailed it. Yeah, baby girl. You ever had a beak in your pussy? You ever felt the peck of a parrot? Fly over to your house. Make sure mom and dad ain't home. All right, thank you. I don't know. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. 2 flaps to this crowd. I don't know. It is horrific outside. It is. It's for the birds. It's pretty good, man. Don't look at me. It's Halloween, okay? No, it's crazy outside. The most shocking part about outside is the amount of strollers that I saw. What parent is like, oh, look at that puff of weed smoke. Let's go towards it. You mean there's dangerous children? Yes, bring the baby. I know what will make the baby go to bed. People randomly yelling racial slurs, you know. It's crazy out there.